Can a stock market crash happen? Can a stock market crash happen in the near future? It's a question that investors ask whenever markets reach new highs. The truth is that crashes are a natural part of financial markets. They have happened many times before, and they will likely happen again. A stock market crash is a sudden and significant drop in stock prices. Unlike a normal market correction, a crash is often driven by fear and panic. Investors rush to sell their stocks, causing prices to fall rapidly. History gives us several examples. The Wall Street crash of 1929 helped trigger the Great Depression. In 1987, Black Monday saw one of the largest one-day declines in market history. The dot-com bubble burst in 2000 after years of excessive speculation in internet companies. In 2008, the global financial crisis caused markets around the world to collapse. More recently, the COVID-19 pandemic led to a sharp market crash in 2020. But why do crashes happen? One major reason is that investors become overly optimistic. When stock prices rise for a long period, many people start believing that markets can only go higher. This often leads to speculation and unrealistic valuations. Eventually, reality catches up and prices begin to fall. Another risk factor is rising interest rates. When borrowing becomes more expensive, businesses and consumers tend to spend less. Economic growth can slow down, which may hurt corporate profits and investor confidence. High levels of debt can also create problems. Governments, companies, and households that borrow too much become vulnerable when economic conditions worsen. Financial crises often begin when debt becomes difficult to manage. Today, investors are watching several potential risks. Inflation remains a concern in many countries. Geopolitical tensions continue to create uncertainty. Some analysts worry that stock valuations are too high, while others believe new technologies such as artificial intelligence could continue driving growth. So, does this mean a crash is coming? The honest answer is that nobody knows. Financial markets are influenced by countless factors, and predicting the exact timing of a crash is nearly impossible. Even professional investors struggle to forecast major downturns consistently. However, history teaches us something important. Every major crash has eventually been followed by a recovery. Markets have always experienced periods of fear and uncertainty, but over the long term, they have continued to grow. For investors, the best strategy is often preparation rather than prediction. Diversification, risk management, and long-term thinking can help reduce the impact of market volatility. Trying to guess exactly when the next crash will occur is much harder than building a portfolio that can survive one. So, can a stock market crash happen? Absolutely. In fact, it probably will happen at some point in the future, but crashes are not the end of the financial system. They are part of the market cycle. The key question isn't whether a crash will happen. The real question is whether investors will be prepared when it does. What do you think? Is a stock market crash around the corner, or will markets continue to rise? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing content.